can I send a message to someone on LinkedIn if I don't have a LinkedIn account? The short answer is no, you can't. How would you be able to do that? It's kind of like, can I send someone an email without having like an email address? Or can I send someone an email without having like an email client? Like, you need to use the platform if you want to send a message. And the requirement for LinkedIn is, if you want to send messages, you have to have an account yourself. So there's no way around it. Long answer, some people might share their email address on their LinkedIn profile in their description or in their contact field and make this information available public. So in that case, if this person actually shared their email address, you might be able to find it and then send them an email outside of LinkedIn. But sending a message in LinkedIn within LinkedIn is not possible. Now, if you want to learn more about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I share my complete A to Z strategy, how to build a successful LinkedIn sales funnel. And also smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.